Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming permissions and exact location so you can access preview tools immediately. Open Drive, find the large file using search filters like Owner, or larger, 10 MB, and confirm you have view or edit rights, otherwise request access. Once done, note the file format because preview options differ. PDFs and images open inline, videos may stream, and ZIP or uncommon binaries require extraction. This early setup saves time and prevents access errors later. Now open the file with Drive's preview. Right-click and choose Preview or press P. This streams large media and renders PDFs without downloading. For video, use the player timeline to seek and check resolution. For PDFs, use thumbnails and page numbers to jump to sections. If Drive can't render the format, click Open with and attach a connected app. Extract ZIPs, use VLC-style players or specialized viewers. This approach minimizes downloads while letting you inspect content quickly and safely. To finish, decide whether a preview suffices or you need the whole file. Press Download or make a copy in Drive or extract selected files from an archive. If preview fails, first clear browser cache, disable extensions, or open an incognito window. Make sure your network isn't blocking large streams and try another browser. If problems persist, request a smaller export from the owner or mount the file in Google Colab to inspect it programmatically. This avoids full downloads while letting you examine contents.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.